Hey guys and girls, I bring you Margot. Margot is a human hair wig that is part of the JON RENAU Smart Lace Human Hair Collection. Margot is a Remy human hair long bob that is simply gorgeous. This wig features a temple-to-temple, nearly invisible 100% hand-tied smart lace front. It also features a 100% hand-tied luxurious cap, so it has the full monofilament top, and this gives it a very natural appearance and natural movement of the hair. This beautiful human hair wig deserves a closer look. Margot's wig cap features a smart lace front that is temple to temple. It mimics a natural hairline. Each hair is hand knotted one by one. The single layer monofilament top allows multi-directional parting while providing the appearance of natural growth. The 100% hand-tied cap has each hair strand individually knotted throughout. This gives the appearance of natural growth throughout and allows you complete styling versatility. The 100% hand-tied stretch section of the cap allows a customized fit from front to back and ear to ear. On either side of the cap are these velvet adjustable ear tabs. At the back is a velvet-lined nape with Velcro adjusters that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Here is Margot. I love the layers and the way it feathers here at the side, the slightly flipped up ends. It's just a very flattering style to most face shapes. The cap size on Margot is average. It fits a head measuring 21½ inches in circumference. Now my head size is 22 inches in circumference, which is also considered average. And this wig cap fits me perfectly right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. Now because this is a 100% hand-tied beautiful cap, it's so comfortable and it does have some stretch. It could possibly accommodate someone slightly larger than 22 inches in circumference, so you might want to give this gorgeous wig a try. The fiber is the highest quality Remy human hair. It's made of 50% Chinese hair, which is a thick density and has a very luxurious feel. The other 50% is Indian hair, which has a slightly coarse texture and a natural wave. So it takes curls and waves perfectly. You get the best of both worlds. You can style Margot like your own hair. Remy hair is stronger, healthier, and more resilient. If you'd like to learn more about Remy hair in wig manufacturing and about Remy hair itself and why it's such high quality, I have a video that I created explaining all of this, and I will leave it in the video description box under this video. Click the link and you can watch it. Margot's lace front is 100% hand-tied, temple to temple, smart lace, virtually undetectable. It's well done. Margot has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, which gives you a natural looking part and parting space. I have Margot parted to the left. Let's part this wig down the center and see what it looks like. Now because this is human hair, if you part this wig and the fibers do not go in the direction that you need them to, you can use heat styling tools such as a flat iron up to 350 degrees to train the hair to lay in the direction that you need it to. Parted in the middle, Let's part it to the right. The hair feels so silky and soft. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back, beautiful layers in movement for this long bob style. Right side. The measurements of Margot are 8.5 inches long here at the bang. The sides are 11 inches long. The crown is 13 inches long. The nape is 9 inches long. The weight of this style is 5.1 ounces, so there's plenty of density to work with and plenty of beautiful hair. Let's talk about this beautiful color. This color is 6F27, Caramel Ribbon. It is a warm chocolate brown with light coppery auburn highlights. A very warm, rich color. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Margot looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. Because you have all of this length, you can pull this style back into a low ponytail using a hairband. Very pretty. Because you have this beautiful, natural looking lace front, you can wear off the face styles. You can use your fingers to simply comb the hair off the face. Margot has plenty of density. You could create all sorts of beautiful updos or a simple one using a claw clip. You can just pull the hair back, clip it in place, and you're ready for a day at the beach or poolside. While it's possible to heat style this wig in any way that you desire, I'm not going to show heat styling in this video. This wig is on loan for the review and must be returned. So unfortunately, I can't play with it as much as I would like to. JON RENAU does not recommend that you color or perm their Remy human hair wigs or hair pieces. JON RENAU also recommends that you wash your human hair wigs and hair pieces about every 6 to 8 wears. It is important to use conditioner, but you want to avoid the cap or the base of, say, a topper, as a conditioner can weaken the hand-tied knots. Now you can heat style any of the beautiful human hair products by JON RENAU up to 350 degrees. It's important not to go over this temperature because you want to maintain the integrity of the hair. You can also use the JON RENAU Boho Beach Mist to the dry hair just to give it some moisture sheen, and keep it looking its very best. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. If you're interested in purchasing Margot, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry Margot in all of the beautiful JON RENAU salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you visit the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you wear Margot, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.